Many manufacturers today still rely on disconnected systems, spreadsheets, and manual processes to run critical operations. These disconnected processes lead to production delays, incorrect inventory levels, missed orders, and lost revenue. When your manufacturing software isn't integrated, every small delay becomes a costly mistake. It's time for a smarter solution. NetSuite Manufacturing, implemented by FinanSys, connects your entire operation in one powerful cloud ERP platform. As the world's leading cloud-based manufacturing ERP, NetSuite gives you real-time visibility across demand planning, production scheduling, inventory management, procurement, and financial management. With NetSuite software for manufacturing, you can automate workflows, eliminate manual tasks, and track performance with real-time analytics and dashboards. With NetSuite and your expert NetSuite implementation partner, FinanSys, manufacturers reduce operational costs, improve efficiency, and increase revenue growth. Upgrade your manufacturing systems, eliminate delays, maximize profitability with NetSuite Manufacturing by FinanSys.